How to add Google Calendar on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now from within the website editor, we want to click on Search here in the top right corner and just search for Google Calendar. And I'm going to show you how we can set this up as well. So just click on Google Event Calendar and just click on Add to Site here. And it's going to automatically add it onto our Wix website. So it's going to look like this, and now we can set this up. So just left click on the calendar and just choose the option for settings. Now it's going to look like this. This menu will pop up and we can share our Google Calendar with visitors to our website. So if we want to add an already created calendar, we will just click on Connect Account, and this will transfer over our Google Calendar onto Wix. If we don't have a Google account, we can create a new Google account by clicking on this button here. So from the Calendars tab, you will be able to see these options visible to site visitors. So we can do school schedules, teachers, and students. For the layout, we can actually do monthly calendars, weekly calendars, or agenda right here. Now for the display options here, we can also show the time zones and show the event start time, as well as show private events. We can show private events as private, or for example, we can name them something custom like VIP. For the settings here, we can choose the time format, 12 hours or 24 hours, when does our week start, and the languages of our calendar. For the design section, we can actually edit what it looks like, as well as change the colors of our calendar here. And we can repeat the same process for the different buttons as well. We can change the style of the buttons as well as the color. And that's how you add your Google Calendar onto your Wix website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.